guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here. It's nice and bold, and I actually feel like it will be good for the current prom season, especially if you add a little bit of glitter. It's gonna make it over the top and really extra if that's the look that you're going for. And I mean, if it's prom, then that's gotta be the look that you're going for. But I am obsessed with this lid color. I did use an orange shade out of my Profusion Confidence palette, and the shade that I use is called Chameleon, and this is the shade right here. It's really bright and vibrant. I really love that. I used two other palettes to create this look. I used this Heart Candy palette, which I don't know the name of. I looked everywhere on the palette, and either it doesn't have a name or I'm blind. So there's that. And I also used the Morphe 35B palette. You guys should know what this looks like. It is their bright, colorful one. I know it's discontinued, but that's no here nor there. I know a lot of people still have this palette. Anyway, if you're new here, I hope you guys hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell as well. And if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching.
Wait, so Mozado made this?
Are you Ellie?
It's Mary Jane, mad lots in the game.
And the game done chose me.
To break pain, pretty women, fake thugs, one and the same.
Ever since you told me
There's only room for two, I'm making less room for you.
now only God can hold me.
Hug me, love me, judge me, the only man that loves me, so fuck me high.
I met so many men, and it's like they're all the same. My appetite for loving is now my hunger pain. And when I'm feeling sexy, who's gonna comfort me? My only problem is their insecurity. Yeah, yeah.
Arguing on the phone,
Yeah, yeah.
while you're telling all your friends.
Yeah, yeah.
Girl, understand my love. Laughing like we wasn't happy, but not knowing that we're growing and we're getting married. Hard loving and straight thugging, baby. I ain't doing this shit for nothing. I'm gonna get it poppin', hoppin'. It's rider than the things that blowin' in the wind, sun glistening on your skin. Hey, I'm nasty, you know me, but still be feeling you, baby. The way you walk, the way you move, the way you talk, the way you stare, the way you look, the style you walk.
Mozado made this.
Now people loving me and hating me, treating me ungratefully, but not knowing that they ain't making or breaking me. My life, I live it to the limit and I love it. Now I can breathe again, baby, now I can breathe again. Now people screaming, what's the deal with you, it's so. I tell them it's my business, but they don't hear me though, cause I live my life to the limit and I love it. Now I can breathe again, baby, now I can breathe again. Yeah, yeah.
Arguing on the phone,
Yeah, yeah.
while you're telling all your friends.
Yeah, yeah.
Girl, understand my love.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.